Hey Prof, tell me, are there limits to automated welding?
Sure, happy to explain. Yes, of course, also automation has limits. The first point that comes into your mind is, of course, also economic issues. So if you don't have enough parts to be welded, so the robot is standing empty all day or half the day, it's not economic, so you won't automate. Yeah. Another aspect is, of course, also what's the size of the component to be welded. If you have a very small part, you can clamp it, you can use some fixtures, very easy, ideally for automation. But imagine there are parts like from excavators or other really big machines. Yeah, you can't put that in a robot cell. The welder has to walk literally around it and do the manual welding. And the third point that's very often forgotten, there are some welding tasks where the component is so complex, and for instance, the gap situation for the weld does not allow that a robot can correct this. Here you need a skilled welder to perform these very sophisticated and complex welds. Any questions for the Weld Prof? Please contact me.